Greetings from Stradog. Welcome back to the next video of the theme Famous Scientists of Modern World. And in today's video, I've come up with a scientist who has not only contributed his ideas but also laid the foundation for modern science. Also called as father of electrochemistry, Michael Faraday is the person whom I have taken in this video. Do watch till the end for the question and answer that in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's get started. Michael Faraday was born on 22nd September 1791 to James Faraday and Margaret Haswell. James was a blacksmith in the country and Margaret was a calm countrywoman. Born in a poor family, he had no formal education and left school at a very young age. This did not become an obstacle for the young man, and today we know him as a great scientist who gave the idea of electromagnetic induction. He began his career as a chemist. Faraday is known for isolating benzene, which was possible because of his experiments with the process of liquefaction of ethylene gases. He also discovered a few organic compounds. He gave the idea of substitution reaction. Michael Faraday took ethane, which is C2H6, and substituted 6 hydrogen atoms to 6 chlorine atoms to make tetrachloroethene. This idea of substitution was known as substitution reaction. He was not only a chemist but also a physicist. Coming to his contributions in the field of physics, at that time there was no idea about subatomic particles. So Faraday came up with a theory that said atoms experience alternating attractive and repulsive forces. The strain that was responsible for these forces helped in conduction of electricity. In present day, these strains are nothing but the chemical bonds shared by the electrons. So, today we understand that electric current was nothing but the flow of electrons. Speaking about the most important contribution of Faraday is the electromagnetic induction. As shown in the video, if a bar magnet is brought close to the circular closed conductor which is not connected to a battery, then when the bar magnet moves inside or outside, there is a passage of electric current. This can be seen with the help of the galvanometer. This current is called as the induced current and referred to as the electromagnetic induction. He also told that this is happening as there is a change in magnetic field. Previously, it was discovered that electric field can create magnetism, but Michael Faraday was the first one who proved magnetic forces can be used to create electricity. Based on these observations, Michael Faraday came up with 3 laws of electromagnetic induction. Law number 1: whenever there is a change in magnetic flux associated with respect to a closed circuit, an electric motor force or electric current is induced. Law number 2: the induced current persists in the circuit as long as there is a change in magnetic flux associated with the circuit. Law number 3: the magnitude of the induced current is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux associated with the circuit. Let me sum up some of his other contributions in science. He also gave the information about Faraday cage and Faraday balance. He also is known for discovery of magnetic field influencing polarized light, which today is known as the magneto-optical effect. He was awarded with many international awards like the Copley Medal, Royal Medal, Rumford Medal, Albert Medal, and the Royal Society Beccarian Medal. His ideas have surely helped the improvement in science and our understanding. Though he was completely self-taught, his contributions are teaching us the different types of science and their importance. Here is the question for you. Who is called as the father of electricity and magnetism? The answer is not Faraday. So if you think you know the answer, please do comment in the comment section. Hope you guys liked the video and understood more about Michael Faraday and his works. We'll be back with the next video soon. Please do like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you.